Hello everyone, it's me again. Can you believe it? A highly potential project in the AI sector has just launched and has managed to raise up to $75 million from leading investment funds such as PayPal Ventures, Galaxy, and Han Capital. These are all names that guarantee the success of the project. Are you ready to explore the opportunity to receive a significant airdrop from this project? Welcome back to the TND Network channel. Today, I will introduce you to a super hot project called Chaos Labs. Just the name itself sounds impressive, right? So, what is Chaos Labs doing that has attracted such massive investments from big sharks? According to the information I researched, Chaos Labs is an automated risk management and security platform for DeFi protocols. The exciting part is that they have just launched Chaos AI, a research tool powered by artificial intelligence. Do you see the hot trend yet? AI is the future trend, and a project integrating AI into DeFi certainly has immense growth potential. With a real-time Oracle data toolset, Chaos Labs enables DeFi users to evaluate and alert regarding risks associated with collateral assets and liquidation ratios, thereby automating risk management. This is exceptionally useful for those involved in the volatile DeFi market. With its significant growth potential and the backing of top investment funds, it is entirely possible that Chaos Labs will launch an airdrop. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to acquire tokens of a quality project like this early on. So let's not hesitate any longer. I will guide you step by step on how to participate in this airdrop. First, please visit the website of the Chaos AI project. I will provide the website link in the video description and display it on the screen for easy visibility. Once you're on the website, you will immediately see the Enter Your Email box. Please enter the email address you regularly use here. I will input my email address now. After that, click the Continue button for me. Next, the website will ask you to verify I am human. This is just a CAPTCHA to ensure that a robot is not registering. Please check the I am human box for me. Once verified, it will proceed to the next step. Chaos AI will send you a verification code to the email you just registered. Please copy the 5-digit code for me. After that, return to the Chaos AI website and paste the copied code here. Once you've pasted the code, the website will automatically move to the next step. At this stage, you are nearly done. The website will ask you for some information. In the name field, please enter your name. Next, there's the What Describes You Best section. Please click on the drop-down and select your role. If you're unsure what to choose, you can simply select Other. I will choose Trader, Investor, Market Maker to be more dynamic. After making your selection, click the Continue button below. Fantastic! At this point, you have successfully registered for the waitlist. The website will display a welcome message and inform you that they will notify you when Chaos AI officially launches. But that's not all. To increase your chances of receiving the airdrop and participate in the rewards program, you should link your crypto wallet with your Chaos AI account. Do you see the plus link a new wallet button here? Click on this button for me. The website will present a variety of wallets for you to choose from. I recommend using MetaMask or Trust Wallet as they are popular and easy to use. I will select MetaMask. Okay, after successfully connecting the wallet, you will see your wallet address displayed here. So you have successfully linked your wallet. Additionally, to further boost your points and chances of receiving rewards, you can also link your Google account and X account. You can choose Profile to connect your Google and X accounts. Just click Connect and follow the instructions to get it done. This is simple. You only need to log in to your Google and Twitter accounts and grant Chaos AI access. I won't provide detailed guidance for this step. You can handle it on your own. It's very easy. So I've guided you through all the steps to participate in the airdrop of the Chaos AI project. It's quite simple, isn't it? This is a highly promising airdrop opportunity coming from a reputable AI project. Don't miss out on this chance. Be sure to register for the waitlist and link your wallet today. If you find this video valuable, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel to motivate me to create more new content. I look forward to seeing everyone in the next video of the TND network. Goodbye and see you again.